No sound, just pressure. Room cold, no measure. They hear noise, I hear layers. This ain't built for every year. Late nights, no sleep, just vision. No crowd, no help, no witness. No hand when I need it lifting. Just wait in a cold ambition. They talk, I listen in silence. They loud, I move with precision. They chase what shine on the surface. I build what live in the distance. No rush, no need, I don't speak. They read what I carry inside. They will never proceed. Not for every ear. They don't hear it clear. They hear sound, not the fear. I turn pain into gear. Not for every ear. This ain't made for the near. It's for those who've been there, who felt lost, stayed aware. No light, just steps in the dark. No map, just aim in the mark. No voice when I needed a spark. Still I kept feeding the fire. Rain hit, I stood in the storm. Mind gone, but body still warm. They fold when pressure was born. I stayed and I shaped it to form. They see now, they think it's stuck. They don't see when I was stuck. No way out, no one to trust. Just time, pain in the cut. No name, no face. Still I kept my pace. What I build in the dark, they can't replicate. Not for every ear. They don't hear it clear. They hear sound, not the fear. I turn pain into gear. Not for every ear. This ain't made for the near. It's for those who've been there, who felt lost, stayed aware. No sleep, no rest, mind deep in stress. No help, no guide, just will inside. No love, no fame, just blood and rain. No noise, no gain, just loss and pain. Now they look like I changed overnight. Like I didn't bleed for this life. Like I didn't sit in the dark, questioning every fight. They see glow, they don't see cost. They see win, they don't see loss. They hear sound, they don't hear death. They don't know what it really takes. This ain't made for easy ears. This ain't built for shallow years. If you feel it, you know it's real. If not, disappears. Not for every ear. Not for every ear. They won't hear it clear. They won't hear it clear. Oh, not for every ear. Oh, not for every ear. Still they don't hear. No, it's just fear. Still I stay clear. Not for every ear. I don't need them near. If they don't understand, they will never hear. Not for every ear. Not for every ear. Not for every ear. Every ear. Every ear. Never.
You won't hear it. You won't hear it.
Not meant for you.